you know what that is? A cookie! Cookie? It's Kinder Joy! I guess this is a watermelon. Pucchu, what do you think? Watermelon. Copycat. Pucchu, it is strawberry? Yes! Cool fish! Pucchu, do you know what it is? No. I think this is a broccoli. Broccolis are healthy for our body. Wow! Is this a worm, I think? No! Is this chips or something?
No.
I don't know, Pucchu. It's a scary thing. I don't want to touch that. I'm so scared. Do you want to touch? No. I'm scared. Is that corn? Yes, corn. Yay! That's the sweet corn. I think this is jams. I want red color. Pucchu, which color do you want? Orange. Sister, do you know what is this? No. I don't know what is that. Uh-oh. It looks like this is cherry.
Oh yeah.
Cupcakes! Yeah, I like cupcakes! Yeah, I love cupcakes! I love cupcakes so much! Yay! This is really tasty. I cannot even control. Naughty Pucchu! You eat all of the cupcake. Pucchu, it's your turn. Okay. I don't know what that is. I think that's a juice bottle. It's healthy juice. Pucchu, you want to drink? Yes. Yummy! Oh my god, this is yogurt. I love it. Pucchu, did you have fun? Yes! Pucchu, next time we will play another game. Okay, I love it. Hi guys! If you like our videos, then please share and subscribe. Bye!